Happy Pottery time, everyone. I am Menos. Welcome to my madhouse. Welcome to the start of my rendition of the 12 Days of Christmas. I get to compile the dumbest crap that I have seen while working for stuff for my affiliate. And detort from it as well, of course. And compiling everything extremely dumb I found into one huge event. This event. The 12 Days of Lunacy. Now, while this isn't a news channel whatsoever, I wanted to do this just for fun. And starting off with a bang on the first one. Woman fires scanner, vagina, and cam show crotch shot gone horribly wrong. Yeah, that's messed up. This probably wasn't the kind of money shot she was banking on. Yeah, if you're gonna arrange a session with Smith and Wesson, you better really be careful about it, or you'll end up circumcising yourself. And that's at best case scenario, so lot 4 is very bad. Georgia webcam model Lauren Hunter Damon, age 27, redefined the crotch after discharging a firearm near her vagina during an alleged set stunt gone awry. The female shot herself in the vagina accidentally. Paramedic Brittany Rivers told responding police officers of the incident, which reportedly occurred on the morning of November 9th at a residence in Thomaston. Her report, the Epsom County Sheriff for the smoking gun reported it. Later interviews with witnesses revealed that the Set's pistol gunshot victim was apparently alone in her bedroom when the weapon, a 9mm handgun, went off. So it's thankfully not the heavier duty stuff. Officers were first alerted to the firearm fiasco after receiving an accidental gunshot wound, calling for residents according to a police report. Upon arriving at the scene, Sheriff's deputy encountered EMS Rivers, which was holding the unloaded handgun and a spent bullet casing in her hands. She told the officer that Damon had blasted herself in the nether regions. Police then conducted interviews with Damon's 3 housemates, 2 of whom were present during the accident, to try to shut down the alleged boudoir backfire. Jordan Allen, the reported owner of the firearm, told officers that he was in the kitchen walking back to the bedroom when he heard the gun go off. Upon reaching the bedroom, Allen discovered Damon with a small amount of blood on her leg, at which point she reportedly informed that she shot herself accidentally and apologized. Meanwhile, a second witness named Cody Starnes told deputies that his mother, 80, Ruth Johnson, came in his bedroom and reported that Damon had been shot. Allen revealed to officers how inadvertently vaginoplasty allegedly transpired. Good dear. Per report, Allen said Damon had subscribers on a sexual rep platform called Chatter, where people really pay to see her make sexual videos, he believes. She was recording one set kinky clips when the gun went off. However, it appears Chatter is actually Chatter bait, or as what I personally call it, Agent C. A popular adult site reviewers pay webcam models tips in exchange for fulfilling their sexual fantasies on camera. Although it's yet unclear whether Damon was broadcasting at the time the mishap or if the clip was slated to appear on the porn platform. Immediately after the accident, Damon was rushed into the Epsom County Sheriff's Office, where a helicopter flew to a Macon hospital. At the time of the recording, she was already discharged. The Epsom County Sheriff, Dan Kilgore, told the Smoking Gun that the freak accident, which was his department classified, said the reckless conduct in the airport won't likely result in criminal charges. He thankfully made it out of that one alive. If you're gonna do this junk again, either stick with the bad dragons, or do the following if you're gonna be on this kind of gunplay again. If Lord forbid you're gonna do this again, it's gonna have to be a solid fake prop, because we can't have that blasting off again or it'd be fatal this time, most likely. And also, I can't stress this enough, it can't be the same color. Also, you're gonna have to put that in your pleasure chest instead of where you keep your normal gun. Or otherwise, you're gonna really screw yourself if burglars or demons can come crashing at your home and you get the wrong pistol. It's just advice in the end of the day. Yeah, trouble with this car really fired right off. This is definitely a new definition of a gun nut, if you ask me. But thankfully that's enough. On that note, I'm blasting off until next time. Yeah, I'm a terrible person for this.